Wait, don't scroll. If you can understand my English, your English is better than you think. Today, I will tell you a story about my funny time in Paris. But don't look at the subtitles, okay? When I went to Paris, I was visiting my best friend, Cleonie. And Cleonie loves to take long walks. So we took a long walk towards the river in Paris. And we were crossing a bridge over the water. And it was sunset. And the scene was so beautiful. But then I heard some music. And I could see far away there was a man standing on a suitcase dancing. And I was wondering, why is he dancing? But then I look closer and I can see other people on the bridge dancing with him. And I realize this is a crowd dance. Everyone is dancing together. And I suddenly feel very carefree. I don't care. So I run to go dance with everybody. And Cleonie and I go together and dance. And we had such a fun time. I felt so carefree that day. Even though I'm a bad dancer, I cannot dance well. I did not care. And Cleonie and I had such a good time looking at the beautiful sunset and dancing in Paris. Okay, did you understand my English story? If yes, I am so impressed. If you understood, can you tell me what carefree means? Do you know anyone who is carefree? If yes, can you tag them and send them this video? Okay, keep practicing every day. You got this.